Okay, this is IELTS speaking test, and I'm going to ask you a number of different questions and you have to answer. Let's make a start. Uh, do you use public transport?
Yes, sometime I use public transport, but oftenly I use my personal vehicles because I drive myself. So this is.
Okay. Are you satisfied with the public transport in your hometown?
Yes, I am satisfied because I am personally visit public transportation, as well as my friends discuss related to transport uh, problems and benefits. So all these things concern that
Okay,
transport
your answer is
system.
not clear. I mean, are you satisfied? First, you need to say whether you are satisfied or not, and then give some more sentences about that satisfaction.
Yes.
Now, let's go. Answer should be clear, to the point, and properly organized one. Now, let's go on. What is the most popular means of transportation in your hometown?
There are many buses, different names like Speedo and name to exactly
Now, I'm not asking the names. I'm just talking about the most popular means
means
of transportation. Is it car, bus,
bus,
train,
bus,
aeroplane, whatever? So you need to talk about one, bus.
bus.
Okay, now
Yes,
you can elaborate on that.
because it provide a lot of facilities to passenger, and they are very regular and reach on the time. So these some reason that people prefer from my area mostly travel to in buses.
Okay, you need to brush up your basic English grammar
जी.
and these type of topics as well. Now we move on to IELTS speaking part 2. This is your topic and you will have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
जी.
Here you go, please. You can start.
Yes, I would like to learn German language because I am a research student and I prefer further education from abroad. So I learn German language from my Pakistan, and I choose this language for learning this language a special academy which near to my house, because the learning of this language, the basic purpose behind this, first of all, my supervisor live in German, as well as the research area, especially in chemistry field, very vast in German country. And the second reason my learning this language is that.
Okay, thank you. Can I get the topic, please? So it's basically grammar that you need to work on, sentence structure, and then you need familiarity with such type of topics. Now we
जी.
move on to speaking part 3. Uh, what is the hardest part of learning a language?
Speaking
Okay,
part,
why?
because it is a very difficult part. Most of people's feel a hesitation to speaking, as well as sometime we feel writing point of view, but my point of view, the speaking is most.
Okay, what type of courses are popular these days?
These days, mostly courses, especially language courses, and which help to people's communicate as well as learn a higher education from abroad. So people's mostly concern English language course.
Okay, thank you. Your main weak area is grammar, sentence structure, formation of sentence. Secondly, it's the knowledge. It's the answer, that whatever you speak in the answer, we call it context of your answer. So you need to work hard with all these things, okay?
जी
Thank you
sir.
so much.